Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I thought I would do a little unboxing of sorts of the latest mystery card kit that I got from Kendra over at Kendra's Card Challenges. So if you are a VIP patron for Kendra's Card Challenges, you get a card kit, a mystery card kit. And let me show you what was in the April mystery card kit. So we have a couple of goodies here, and I love that Kendra puts these little QR codes on here, so when you scan them you can see what you're getting, so just in case there's anything that's still available that you'd like to purchase. So this came with this foil sampler, and I'll pop up on screen right now what comes up when you scan the QR code. And there are different sets that she sent out this month. I got the Spring Leaves foil sampler, but there are different sets, and on her listing it shows what's in there, and then she also lists some foilable instructions. So let me show you what's in my little goodie package. I'll set that aside for the time being. So this has some Spring Leaves foilable sheets. These are so cute. Oh, I like that one. So there's 3 of those, and these are actually papers that you can foil directly on, or you can color them too. You take your choice. And then we have a few little foilable sentiments. This one says, "I believe in you, you make me happy," and "Hello friend." And then also there's some cheer foil in here. So there's 3 sheets of cheer foil, and this one, let me take a peek at the listing. Looks like this is the sparkle green cheer foil. This is the ombre lakeside cheer foil, and this is the evergreen cheer foil. Now also on that list that she includes, there are links to where you can get these items. So if it's discontinued, it will say on there, for example, these sentiments are discontinued, but these printables, there is a link there for you to get them. Okay, so let's put this to the side and let's check out what comes in our other little goodie package. I'm excited to foil some more. So when I scan this QR code and bring it up, this shows me that this is a mystery card making kit that features paper from Echo Park. So let's open this one up and see what goodies we have inside. Sorry for all the crinkly noise, but that's kind of the fun of opening up packages, right? So again, when you scan the QR code, it'll bring up the listing of what's in there. So this has paper from the My Favorite Easter 12 by 12 collection kit. So let's kind of pop through those. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at those florals. Love that. I mean, I love Echo Park papers anyway. These are just, look at the pretty spring colors. Now, aren't we all in the mood for spring at this point? Beautiful. And then this has little bunnies on it. Tone on tone, some more florals. Very pretty papers. And I like the plaids on there too. So let's see, how many sheets was that? I didn't even count. That's 8 sheets. And then Oh, and some cut aparts from that 12 by 12 pad too. So this one says Bunny Kisses and Easter Wishes. This one says Happy Easter. Isn't that nice? Let's see what this one is. This one says Let's Go on an Egg Hunt. So some more cut aparts. Oh, and some of the stickers that come in that kit. So my favorite Easter is the kit again. Love that. Some more. And then little labels there. Here's another cut apart. Easter greetings. Oh goodness, so much stuff from that kit. Happy Easter. And of course you could use the back side if you wanted, because these are double-sided. Such a sweet day. Another Happy Easter. Happy day. And then some of these strips. So cute. Okay, so that's from the My Favorite Easter 12 by 12 collection kit. Then you get stamp set, and I got, what is the name of this one? It is Clarence Good Egg Stamp Set, and it's from the Rabbit Hole Designs. Isn't that cute? I love that. That's a cute little image. Okay, and then we get some enamel dots from your next stamp. Those coordinate perfectly with those pretty spring colors. And we also get a die set from this Cheery Lynn Designs. And this one is there a name on here? Mindy Botanicals 2. Oh, so pretty. And then, of course, we get some coordinating cardstock. Look, even some glitter cardstock here. And then let's see all these papers. And these are nice quality cardstocks too, guys. Very nice. So some nice coordinating colors, springy colors. Look at that. Those are beautiful. Let's see, so many. Oh my goodness. So many pieces of cardstock. I mean, you could make the full Kendra's Card Challenge 18 set of cards. You could make 18 cards. So in case you hadn't heard, the newest card challenge, KCC 18, it does have 15 sketches, but you can actually make 18 cards with those 15 sketches. So I'm trying to fan these out the right way here. Sometimes my brain doesn't work reverse. And then we get some double-sided adhesive. So I'll roll that. And I know I saw somewhere, maybe I dropped it, some foam strips. I must have dropped it. Oh, I left it in here. So there are some foam strips to go with that kit. That is a kit chock full of fun, I'm telling you. Now we will be having a Livestream Hop on April 6th. So make sure you stay tuned for that. We'll each be making 3 sketches in 30 minutes using a mystery card kit. I'm going to use this one. So I'll be making 3 sketches in 30 minutes, friends. So make sure you stay tuned. I'll put a link to the Livestream Hop playlist in the description box so that you can get notifications when that comes up. But it'll be lots of fun. It's always lots of fun when we go live with our crafty friends, I think. So that's what we got. All these fun goodies in the April mystery card making kit. So much fun. But I wanted to just let you have a peek at it because it's hard to, I think for some people it could be challenging to sign up for something like a VIP patron, but it really is worth it. If you think about all the benefits and then you get these mystery card kits, it's really worth it. And I'll link to Kendra's patron in the description box as well in case you'd like to sign up. And there are different levels. There's also an all access level that's a little bit lower priced, and that one you get a card kit making sampler. So you get a smaller version of the card making kit. So you get you don't get a stamp set, but you get some papers and ephemera, things of that nature in a smaller kit. So we'll see you on Sunday, April 6th for our Livestream Hop. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.